Accessing CreditSaint credit tips is a straightforward process that can help you improve your credit score and manage your finances effectively. To get started, first visit the CreditSaint website and navigate to the Credit Tips section. This section is dedicated to providing you with expert advice and guidance on how to maintain a healthy credit profile. Once you are in the Credit Tips section, you will find a range of articles and guides that cover various aspects of credit management, such as how to check your credit report, how to dispute errors on your credit report, and how to improve your credit score. Take some time to browse through these resources and read the ones that are most relevant to your situation. In addition to the articles and guides, CreditSaint also offers a range of tools and resources that can help you access your credit information and track your credit score. For example, you can use their credit monitoring service to receive regular updates on your credit report and score. And you can also use their credit score simulator to see how different actions may affect your credit score. To get the most out of CreditSaint credit tips, it is a good idea to create an account on their website. This will give you access to personalized credit advice and recommendations, as well as the ability to track your progress over time. When you create an account, you will be asked to provide some basic information, such as your name and email address, and you will also be asked to answer some questions about your credit history and financial situation. Based on the information you provide, CreditSaint will give you a personalized credit report and score, as well as a list of recommendations for how to improve your credit. You can then use these recommendations to make positive changes to your credit habits and track your progress over time. Overall, accessing CreditSaint credit tips is a simple and effective way to take control of your credit and improve your financial health. By following the steps outlined above and taking advantage of the resources and tools available on the CreditSaint website, you can gain a better understanding of your credit and make informed decisions about how to manage it.